Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will learn how to properly clean a toilet. And real quick, grab all your cleaning items and let's get started. And let's start by clearing all of the items off of your toilet and anything around it. Grab your sanitizing spray and start spraying from the top and around the sides down to the bottom of the tank. Let the sanitizer sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and start wiping off the toilet the same way that you sprayed it. Change out the paper towels after you have used both sides of it, and I like using a new sheet on the part that you set on and flip it over and clean the underside of it as well. Those little grooves, just grab a toothbrush and clean in the little crevices. And make sure you clean under the rim of the toilet to get where the jets are, and the brush can only get so much. So right here is vital to clean it with your hand. After you're finished wiping down the toilet and after the timer goes off for 10 minutes, start scrubbing around the sides of the toilet from front to back. And forewarning, the camera makes the floor look worse than it actually is. For an expert tip, take your plunger and plunge the water as far as it will go down the tank. Use a Lysol clean toilet bowl cleaner because it works the best. But in this video, I use Scrubble Bubbles because I ran out of the Lysol. Start at the top of the rim and work your way down to the water and let it sit for about 10 minutes. When the timer goes off for the enzyme cleaner on the floor, begin wiping it off the same way that you sprayed it on. After the timer goes off for the toilet bowl, grab your brush, get it wet with the water, start from the top under the rim, working your way down to the water, and make sure that you get the bottom really good. Flush the toilet and rinse your brush off when you're finished with the jet water. Then put your brush in between the seat and the bowl and let it dry. I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. Please let me know down below with a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell because next week's video will be a quick intro on getting stains up off the floor, and there will be a bonus video added sometime next week as well. For now, I hope everyone has a great week. I'll see you next week. Bye!